You never know what things are going to happen in this place, do you? Okay. How are you? Thanks for inviting everybody back to another year here in Goldstroms. And you have done 6 weeks that we've been through. There's some folks that actually you are nice enough to park the cars like that. And if they have to skip registration, you want them to go to get registered. Once you get registered, the super line that we have over here on the corner underneath the register.
Yeah, so you get for your $45, you got 5 raffle tickets.
Well, nobody's parking.
The man has to
It's coming.
It works, right?
Yes, it does. Mom's gonna help us with the auction later.
Okay, we're talking about the TV, we're talking about the auction, we're talking about the 5 tickets.
We got 5 tickets for $25, and I gave you a free gift. And
Yep.
Where do you go and see raffle prizes like that? You do a lot of shows, I do a lot of shows. I never see giveaway prizes like you have right here.
I've done that. That sucks.
yeah, so there's a snap-on cooler.
Down in St. Vincent's, I'm gonna be down in Florida this year. They asked me to be the artist.
First of all, the money that I raised today.
Put in the door. What's the story?
And you pick it up by yourself and put it in the door.
And I want you guys to meet her because I'm doing so things for her because she really needs our help.
You never believe she's 8 years old because of her size, but you will meet with her a little bit later on today. We have a snap-on cooler out there that we give away. And the nice thing about it, that's a separate raffle, okay? You put in what you buy in. If you go like $5, Sherry's gonna match it. If you drop $100 in that, Sherry's gonna match it.
Yeah, whatever you guys donate to Lily today to win that cooler, I'm gonna match it tonight and put it in her GoFundMe account.
You know what? When you bring the right people together, you move mountains. Magic happens when we do car shows like this.
Yep, that's exactly it. You know, you got to give back to your community, and I love my city, and it's getting a little crazy out there, but
Really? When did you notice?
Yeah, I still love my city. Born and raised, and I just want to give back to everybody that's here.
And you know, with the raffles out there, the funds going to Lily, the Buck Bernard, or the Children's Speedway charities, that cannot happen without folks out there buying raffle tickets.
Yep, and all those car people that were kind enough to bring their car and register. I really appreciate it.
Registration goes to it, raffles go to it, but we can't do it without everyone out there helping out. So yeah, it's going to take a couple of bucks, but you know, you know it's going to go to the right place when you have something like this going on, and the honesty behind it from Goldstroms over here. If this is your first year to the show for coming out after SEMA, welcome to the best kept secret in Vegas.
Yes, another thing too, don't forget to come up and sign this banner on to the right of JC's booth, because I'll hang it up after the show. And you guys can look in there and see that there's always banners that we make every year and hang it up.
You gotta realize that's your right, not theirs. Theirs is left.
Okay, that's true.
See?
That's true. I also want to thank all of my friends in the back there, Jim Shue, Jim Jett, Denny, Mike and Irene, Larry, and the McKenna and her sister for bringing all their drag cars. I mean, I think it's a great added addition here. And it's going to be great. Jim Shue is going to actually fire off at 11 o'clock. He's going to have like a little cackle fest back there. So I want you guys to make sure that you do go back there and you know, check that all out.
I like it. You say Sherry says it, they do it, turn around, look, they're signing the banner right now.
I like it.
Okay, come up, sign this banner, it's going to go up. You are part of history once you sign that banner. You're here.
They teach you metal shop. Remember metal shop? What they ever do? And get your 32 roads. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that.
Good advice.
What are you from the Wahoo?
$100 bucks. Let's go. $100. It's gonna be 100 right there. Yeah, that's you guys. Okay, who's gonna give me two? We got two of you. How about three? Yeah, come with you. Let's go to 4. You got one there, 2 there. How about 5? How about 5? 2 here, guys. How about 6? 6. How about 6? How about 6? 6.5 right there. 7.
I got to have a title.
7, 7.5. 7.5 right there. 7.5. How about 7?
I know they're right. Is that a Corvette?
Yeah.
Right there? You're missing all the cool stuff.
I know you like that.
Seriously, he's gonna let you out $50. I don't think you're going to that.
Okay, I can do that.
So I'll throw in this year. This is insurance.
There you go.
I will throw that in. You're at 11.50. Are you? 12, let's see, 13, 15, 12. 12 and 12. Look at 12, look at 13, 15, 12, 12, 12. 12 going once. 12 going twice.
Are you sure?
12 going 3/4. Sold for $1,200. Thank you very much. That was awesome. I love it. That's a good buy there.
That is. All right, now we're ready. Okay, so we got this back. He donated this back. We can do this, and we can do this bottle repentant.
Is that?
Right.
It's this year's 28,000. So if you can't make
Uncle is $100. He donated back.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you.
All right, let's have fun with it. Where do you guys want to start? Get on your bed. Let's go. Let's go. Open it up. Open it up for everybody. And it's orange. Where we at? $100 right there. Look at the one. Look at the one. Look at 125. These are 111. Look at 125. Look at the one. Look at the one. Look at 125. 125 here. Off from 125.
No. You put your hand down, mister.
Yeah, he's in for 125.
I
He's not
know.
gonna go 150.
But that's my grandkids right there, and they can't lift their hand up.
And they're not 21.
He's at 125. He's at 25. He's at 125. 130. 135. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
135, 135, 135, holding. Going once. Oh, look at that. Came right in. 145. It's 135. We're going 45. 145, 145. I'm turning my back from here. 145. We're going 150. Bids at 145, 145. We're going 150. 150. Look at 160. Bids at 150. Look at 160. 150, 150, 150. Look at 160. Bids at 150, 150, 150. Oh, 160. Thank you. Ooh, man. I'm going to get in trouble. 160. 160. Pitch at 160, look at 175. Pitch at 160, 175. Pitch at 160, look at 175. Pitch at 160, 175, 160. 160 going once. 160 going twice. 160. Ah! 175, right?
Yes. And please don't forget Lily. Her thing is right over here, and she's over here hanging out. Please, there
Hey,
she
make
is.
sure you go over, if you bought a raffle ticket, go over, check the tote board, make sure your name, your number's on there. Please pick up your prizes. The bravest person in the audience is Pat.
Yes.
Pat.
And remember, those pink tickets over there belong to this little girl. So go support her so that I can match her funds, please.
Pat, you're a brave man. Even though you gave her a heads up, you're a brave man.
He's gonna go tonight.
Got 30 bucks as a walk-in donation. Put that in with that. There you go. We're talking about a guy taking a chance. Please go check the tote board if you bought a ticket. There's lots of prizes over there. We have to clear them out.
Whenever you're ready. 3, 2, 1.
My name is Pedro LeBoy, and this is my 1974 Ford Maverick. It's an all-aluminum 351 Windsor with an 871 blower. Originally, the car came with a 6-cylinder. I've had the car since 1978. I'm the second owner. Came from Chicago, and now we're here in Vegas. Got 2 Demons, the 871 blower, all-aluminum 351 Windsor block. Got all aluminum wheels, weld wheels. The paint job was done by my brother about 20 years ago. Inside, it has original dashboard, original headliner. It's a chassis, back half chassis car with a Lenco 5-speed. All the tin work was done by my brother. 5-speed Lenco, tubbed out in the back. All aluminum. Austin back half chassis. Car started off as a project car back in 1982, roughly, when we were just basically racing in the streets. It's got a shortened 9-inch rear end with a nodular casing, 411 gears. It's got a shot of nitrous, fuel cell, dual batteries. Chute. A little hard to handle at times. Gets a little squirrely.
I bet.
Yep. But overall fun.
It's definitely a great build.
Yeah, thank you. It's been on build since '82, and we finally finished it maybe 10, 15 years ago. And now we just like to show it off. Yeah, the only thing it's an all steel car. The only thing that's fiberglass on the car, the 2 fenders and the 2 bumpers. Other than that, the entire car is all steel. Yeah.
So this is a 1974 Ford Maverick.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know.
This is what I sent you.
One second.
He's my guy.
Cool cab over. Right? Yep. And that blue one. Jet car's been rancho and crazy. So that's Kaiser, right? Henry J.
Hey, I just want to say I love you, Douglas. I love you.
Henry J. Henry J. 58. 58.
Got it.
I love the Cosworth.
Park where you want to park. We'll do a burnout.
Yeah, so somebody reported. See if he makes that turn.
No.
Yes.
Move up, move up.
Keep going.
You're blocking the view. No, stay. Ah. What's up, buddy?